Hey everyone, this video is a quick guide that if I've already recommended a particular plan for you and you're needing to go enroll yourself, say maybe there's a plan or something I suggested you look at or need you to enroll yourself and you know what plan that we're going to go with, and for some reason maybe I didn't have time to be able to finish it up or something like that. That's what the purpose of this video is for. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website that I'm going to send to you. You want to confirm that my cell phone number is here to make sure you're on the right website, that I'll get credit for this, and that I'll be able to assist you with your plan moving forward, and I'll be assigned as your agent when the policy goes in. So to submit it, I've either given you the name of the plan already, probably included in an email, or just told you verbally or whatnot the plan that you would probably be best for you to look at. And this is for you to go find that plan, review it, and enroll yourself. So from this website, you're actually going to quickly just go to find a plan. It's extremely simple. So we're going to put in your zip code. So I'm just going to use my office zip code for comparison purposes. And it'll tell you where you can add more stuff to compare your plans. Maybe we've done this already. I'm not sure, but you could go through and do this further if you would like, where you can look up, put in your medications, estimated health. I suggest skipping this, and you can put in your doctors to confirm your doctors take the plan if you would like, or else I would have already done this or recommend a particular plan. So now that you're on this site, we're going to compare what type of plan that you're looking for. So did we go to a Medicare Advantage with drug coverage, a Medicare Advantage plan with no drug coverage, or a prescription only plan? So let's say, example, we want the Medicare Advantage with drug coverage as defaults to this side, and maybe I recommended the Aetna PPO. So I would go ahead and filter Aetna and the PPO plan. And then what you're looking for is the name of the plan that we recommended. Maybe it was the Explorer Premier. Or maybe I recommended to you a United Healthcare plan. This United Healthcare PPO plan, maybe that's the plan. Doesn't matter which one that was there or which one you want, you can go straight and filter that plan, and then you're going to enroll. So to click enroll, you're simply going to click enroll. Some more details about the plan. Here's a copy of the summary of benefits, evidence of coverage, your star rating, and all for review before you enroll in the plan. And then you're simply going to fill out the application. You're going to need your name, date of birth, gender, phone number, email address. Recommend putting your email address in there, your physical residential address. You can put a mailing address in if you need to. You can do a race and ethnicity question if you want, or you can deny. Your preferred language, and you'll hit next. The next screen is going to take and get your Medicare information. You'll need your red, white, and blue Medicare card. The number off of that card, you'll put that in there. It'll ask you for payment and the options to enroll, and you simply finish the enrollment application. It's all of about 3 screens, and then you sign and submit your application. So doing it this way without me, if I've either reviewed plans or recommended a plan, and maybe we got a chance to review them or not, or just within time, this is your platform to go self-enroll yourself in the plan. And I'm still assigned as your agent of record, so I'll still be able to assist you moving forward. And this will be done for your convenience. And I'm just a phone call away if you need further questions answered. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you further in the future, and have a wonderful day.